Hey guys, it's Scott. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks to everyone for supporting the channel. Now, having grown up Canadian, Rush set the bar for guitar skills, and their early albums really are incredible. The introduction to Closer to the Heart not only sounds incredible, but is a great way to build coordination between the fretting and picking hands. The melody is played on the thinnest strings, following the notes of the A major scale, and there's an open B string that's played to add a little chiming sound. This riff is a great way to build up confidence by working at both speed and precision. I hope you found this interesting. I'm Scott, and I'll see you again soon.